These brave fellows, it's turn 4. Sorry for the shadow. And that's the 1000 turn, and that activates Mortier and Gazan. Okay, so they're able to activate, but we also roll again for the other Russian column that needs to muster, which is the third Russian column. Okay, and so with turn 4, they've got to get a 4, 5, or 6. Okay, and we also have to roll, since the Russians have crossed over the blue there, we have to roll for an alert. So we're going to do the reinforcements first. So we're going to roll to see if the Russians muster. Okay, and we rolled a 3, so that this third column there does not muster. Okay, they're going to have to wait. And so now we would go to regrouping. Okay, and we've got this front unit that has been eliminated, so we can roll for its regrouping. We'd have to get a 1, and we'd roll a 6, so it doesn't get to regroup. Okay, so it stays there in the dead pile. And then we go to the next phase, which is the alert. And so we need to roll on the alert, okay, to find out if he is activated because of the alert roll. Okay. Over here on the alert roll, okay, on the turn after the first unit of the second column crosses the light blue line, okay, then we have to roll, okay, and a French player rolls a die, 6-sided. If the result is 4+, the mortar becomes aware of the threat behind him. Okay, for each turn afterwards, we add +1. Okay, so here we go. We roll, and we get a 1. So he's not aware that the Russians are coming up behind him. Okay, and so what we do is we now get to activate, these units here get to the chance to activate, which is Mortier and Gazan and the rest of their units. Okay, so we flip them over. Where the cavalry units would be able to now roll once we activate Mortier. Then they would be able to roll for activation because they have those black numbers, okay, on their fatigue value. Okay, so that's the start of turn 4. We got to roll to see who gets initiative. Okay, and so that's going to be the 6-sided dice. The French are going to roll, and they get a 4+1 because Mortier's on the table, on the map, so that's 5. And the Russians get a 2. So the French are going to be the first to activate in turn 4. So we're going to go to that next.